6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated light to moderate rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1/2 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Rain-producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, Poteet, Somerset, Lemming, Sandy Oaks, Von Army, Lima Vista, Thelma, Espy, Los Toya, Mitchell Lake, and Pine and Bonnet Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is Noah.
And there's the flood warning full message on my 56252 flash flood warning, at least until 8 o'clock. Not on any of these. This one went off. Yeah. This one went off. And then this one went off too. Flash flood warning. And yeah. This one doesn't go off. But yeah.
Then Sunday into next week. Slightly warm.
But yeah, that was the flash flood warning full message.